We're going to take a closer look at ChatGPT, an AI program developed by OpenAI. We'll talk about what ChatGPT is, how it works, and how it may impact the job market in the future. So, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model trained by OpenAI. It is capable of generating human-like text in response to prompts, allowing it to engage in natural language conversations with people. This makes it a powerful tool for tasks like language translation, summarization, and question answering. But how does ChatGPT work? Essentially, ChatGPT is trained on a massive dataset of text, allowing it to learn the patterns and structures of human language. When it is given a prompt, it uses this knowledge to generate a response that sounds like it was written by a human. This makes it very good at tasks like language generation and conversation. Now, you might be wondering, how will ChatGPT impact the job market? As with any AI program, there is a potential for ChatGPT to take over certain tasks and potentially displace some workers. Here are 5 different fields ChatGPT will be useful. Number 1. Customer service. ChatGPT could assist with tasks like responding to customer inquiries and handling customer complaints, freeing up human customer service representatives to focus on more complex or important issues. For example, a customer service representative could use ChatGPT to quickly answer a customer's question, freeing them up to handle more challenging customer issues. Number 2. Journalism and media. ChatGPT could assist with tasks like writing articles, summarizing news stories, and conducting interviews, making the news gathering process more efficient and allowing human journalists to focus on more in-depth reporting and analysis. For example, ChatGPT could be used to generate a draft of an article based on a set of notes or to summarize a longer news story into a briefer format. However, it's important to note that ChatGPT is not capable of replacing human journalists entirely, and it would need to be used in conjunction with human journalists to produce accurate and reliable news content. Number 3. Language translation. ChatGPT could assist with tasks like language translation, making it easier for human workers to communicate with clients or customers who speak different languages. For example, ChatGPT could be used to quickly translate emails or documents, allowing human workers to focus on more complex or nuanced language tasks. Number 4. Programming. Having a tool like ChatGPT when coding can be incredibly helpful for a number of reasons. First, ChatGPT can assist with writing and organizing code by providing suggestions and completing lines of code based on context. This can save time and reduce the risk of syntax errors. Second, ChatGPT can also provide explanations and definitions for programming concepts and functions, which can be useful for beginners or for experienced developers who are working with new or unfamiliar code. Additionally, ChatGPT can assist with debugging by providing suggestions for potential solutions to errors or issues in the code. Overall, having ChatGPT as a tool while coding can greatly improve efficiency and make the development process smoother. Number 5. Improving efficiency and saving time. ChatGPT is a tool that can greatly improve efficiency and save time in various tasks. One way it does this is by providing suggestions and completing tasks based on context, which can speed up the process. Additionally, ChatGPT can provide explanations and definitions for concepts, which can save time that would otherwise be spent looking up this information. Furthermore, ChatGPT can assist with troubleshooting by providing suggestions for potential solutions to problems, which can save time and effort that would be spent trying to find and fix these issues on your own. Overall, ChatGPT is a valuable tool that can help improve efficiency and save time in various tasks. However, it's important to note that ChatGPT is not designed to replace human workers entirely. The impact of ChatGPT on the job market will depend on how it is used and how it is integrated with other technologies. As with any new development in AI, it's important to consider the potential consequences and to approach the technology in a responsible and ethical way. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for our next video.